Sing, laugh, and learn the Peachy way. Tum and clap, come and play. It's a jungle music day. Tiger taps the big bass drum. Boom, 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 here he comes. He roars and plays with paws so wide. Feel the beat, the monkeys cry. Jungle jam, jungle beat. Tap your hands and stomp your feet. Every animal joins the sound, making music all around. Monkey shakes his shiny ring. Clap, 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 hear it swing. He swings and spins up in the tree. Come and make some noise with me.
Elephant blows a trumpet loud, toots and trills that make us proud. His big trunk sways left and right. He plays with joy from day to night.
Jungle jam, jungle beat. Tap your hands and stomp your feet. Every animal joins the sound, making music all around.
Parrot plays a flute so sweet, tweet, tweet, tweet with dancing feet. Feathers flying, music flows, colorful notes like a rainbow.
Croc strums slow, then strums real fast. Twangy tunes that always last. He nods and hums a rocking style with snappy teeth and a toothy smile.
Giraffe taps high on her xylophone. Ding, ding, dong in a happy tone. She stretches tall with gentle grace, playing notes all over the place.
Jungle jam, what a band, playing music oh so grand. Drums and flutes and monkey cheer. Let's play again, we love it here. Music stops, we wave goodbye. It's bedtime now, close your